Welcome to a journey into the heart of effortless gardening. Today, we'll discover wildflowers that flourish with little human touch, plants so well adapted, they almost plant themselves. These wildflowers are the secret to a thriving, low-maintenance garden that welcomes pollinators in abundance. Imagine stepping outside to a living tapestry of color, alive with the gentle hum of bees and shimmering wings of butterflies. Let's begin our exploration of 8 extraordinary wildflowers that promise both ease and enchantment. The black-eyed Susan, with its unmistakable golden petals radiating outward from a deep, velvety dark center, is a true icon of the summer garden. Its cheerful appearance instantly brightens any landscape, making it a favorite among gardeners and nature lovers alike. The petals seem to glow in the sunlight, creating a striking contrast against the plant's signature black eye, which gives the flower its memorable name. Whether planted in a sprawling wildflower meadow or as a bold accent in a backyard border, the black-eyed Susan stands out as a beacon of color and vitality. Its upright stems and daisy-like blooms create a sea of yellow that draws the eye from across the garden, inviting both people and pollinators to come closer and enjoy its beauty. One of the most remarkable qualities of the black-eyed Susan is its resilience. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun, soaking up the rays and transforming even the driest, rockiest soils into a vibrant display of color. It tolerates drought with ease, making it an excellent choice for gardeners seeking low-maintenance plants that can withstand tough conditions and unpredictable weather. The black-eyed Susan is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a vital resource for pollinators. Its bright blooms attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, providing them with nectar and pollen throughout the growing season. The dark center of each flower acts as a natural landing pad, guiding pollinators straight to the pollen-rich heart of the bloom, ensuring successful pollination and a thriving ecosystem. Once established, black-eyed Susans require very little care. They rarely need extra watering or fertilizer, making them perfect for gardeners who want a beautiful, sustainable garden without constant upkeep. Their ability to thrive on neglect means you can enjoy a lush, colorful display year after year with minimal effort. As the vibrant petals begin to fade in autumn, the story of the black-eyed Susan is far from over. The sturdy seed heads remain standing tall, providing a valuable food source for birds during the colder months. Finches and other seed-eating birds flock to the garden, feasting on the nutritious seeds and adding life to the winter landscape. In this way, the black-eyed Susan offers more than just seasonal beauty. It supports wildlife long after its blooms have faded, contributing to a healthy, balanced garden ecosystem. Its presence ensures that your garden remains a haven for birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects throughout the year. Choose the radiant black-eyed Susan for a garden that gives back in countless ways. With its stunning appearance, remarkable resilience, and ability to support wildlife, this flower is the perfect choice for anyone seeking a vibrant, easy-care garden that truly makes a difference. Bee Balm dazzles with magenta, red, and purple blooms and a refreshing minty scent. Its vibrant, nectar-filled flowers attract hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. Bee Balm thrives in moist soil, but adapts to a range of conditions and spreads to form lush colonies. Its aromatic oils deter pests, making it a great companion plant. With minimal care, Bee Balm rewards you with color, pollinators, and natural pest control. Plant it for a garden alive with hummingbirds at dawn and bees at midday. Coneflowers, scientifically known as Echinacea, are instantly recognizable for their striking purple petals and distinctive spiky orange-brown centers. These flowers stand tall and proud in gardens, their blooms resembling a vibrant sunburst that draws the eye from across the yard. The unique structure of the coneflower, with its raised central cone and drooping petals, makes it a favorite among gardeners and nature lovers alike. Echinacea's beauty is not just skin deep, it's a symbol of strength and endurance in the plant world. These hardy perennials are renowned for their remarkable drought tolerance. Once established, coneflowers require minimal watering, making them an excellent choice for gardeners seeking low-maintenance plants that can withstand hot, dry summers. Echinacea thrives in a wide range of soil types, from sandy to clay, and can adapt to both poor and rich soils. Their ability to flourish in challenging conditions means they're perfect for eco-friendly gardens and sustainable landscapes. Even in the toughest spots, coneflowers continue to bloom, bringing color and life to the garden with little effort. The open, daisy-like blooms of Echinacea are a magnet for pollinators, Bees, butterflies, and even the majestic monarch butterfly are drawn to the abundant nectar these flowers provide throughout the growing season. By planting coneflowers, you're not just adding beauty to your garden, you're supporting vital pollinator populations. The constant activity of buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies around Echinacea blooms creates a lively, dynamic scene that's both enchanting and ecologically important. Echinacea's deep, robust root system is the secret to its resilience. These roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil, allowing it to survive drought and harsh weather. As summer fades, the flower heads mature into spiky seed heads, which become a valuable food source for birds like goldfinches. Leaving the seed head standing through fall and winter not only provides nourishment for wildlife, but also adds architectural interest to the garden during the colder months. Historically, Echinacea has been treasured for its medicinal properties, used in herbal remedies for centuries to boost immunity and promote healing. In the modern garden, its value extends beyond medicine. Echinacea acts as a hub of activity, attracting a diverse array of wildlife and supporting the health of the local ecosystem. Its presence in a garden is a testament to the interconnectedness of plants, pollinators, and people. Whether planted in expansive wildflower meadows or neatly arranged garden beds, coneflowers naturalize effortlessly. Over time, they spread and multiply, creating sweeping drifts of vibrant color that return year after year. Their long-lasting blooms provide months of visual interest, making them a staple in perennial borders and naturalistic plantings. Echinacea's adaptability means it can thrive in both formal and informal settings, blending seamlessly with other native plants and wildflowers. With minimal intervention, coneflowers reward gardeners with a bounty of beauty and biodiversity. They rarely suffer from pests or diseases, and their sturdy stems resist flopping, even in heavy rain. Simply plant them in a sunny spot and let nature do the rest. The result is a thriving, low-maintenance garden that supports pollinators and delights the senses. For gardeners seeking effortless color, enduring blooms, and a haven for pollinators, few plants can rival the dependable coneflower. Its resilience, ecological value, and striking appearance make Echinacea a must-have for any garden, large or small. Plant coneflowers and enjoy a landscape alive with color, movement, and the gentle hum of nature at work. Blanket flower, or Gaillardia, is a mosaic of fiery reds, oranges, and yellows. It thrives in poor soils, endures heat, and blooms from late spring into autumn. Bees, butterflies, and beneficial wasps flock to its nectar-rich blossoms. Self-seeding and drought-tolerant, it spreads easily, creating a patchwork of color with little effort. Its bold colors guide pollinators, and it's largely pest and disease resistant. Spent blooms can be collected and scattered to continue the cycle. For a low-maintenance burst of color and pollinator magnet, blanket flower is an inspired choice. Yarrow's fern-like foliage and clustered blooms bring subtle beauty and resilience. It flourishes in poor, dry soils, spreads gently, and is drought-tolerant once established. Bees and butterflies love its wide, open clusters, which offer easy landing and abundant nectar. Yarrow quickly fills empty spaces, suppressing weeds and reducing maintenance. Its aromatic leaves deter pests and enhance neighboring plants. Whether in borders or meadows, yarrow is an asset to any pollinator-friendly landscape. Invite both grace and grit into your garden with this generous wildflower. Milkweed is the lifeblood of monarch butterflies, serving as both nectar source and host plant. It thrives in various soils, needs little care, and withstands drought with deep roots. Its fragrant flower clusters attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Monarchs lay eggs exclusively on milkweed, making it vital for their survival. Its seed pods add visual interest, and its benefits far outweigh its tendency to spread. By planting milkweed, you support an entire web of pollinators. With minimal intervention, you become a partner in the monarch's extraordinary journey. Coreopsis, often affectionately called tickseed, is a true beacon of sunshine in any garden. With its radiant yellow petals and delicate daisy-like appearance, this flower instantly brightens up borders, beds, and wildflower meadows. Its blooms seem to capture the very essence of summer, creating a cheerful and inviting atmosphere wherever they grow. Whether planted in masses or as accents, Coreopsis brings a sense of joy and warmth that's hard to match. One of the most delightful features of Coreopsis is its impressively long flowering season. From late spring well into autumn, these flowers provide a continuous source of nectar, attracting a parade of pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and even the occasional hummingbird are drawn to its golden blossoms, making Coreopsis a vital part of any pollinator-friendly garden. Watching these visitors flit from flower to flower adds movement and life to your outdoor space. Coreopsis is not only beautiful but also incredibly tough. It thrives in poor, sandy, or rocky soils where many other plants struggle. Its drought tolerance means it can handle dry spells and a bit of neglect, making it perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Each year it gently self-seeds and spreads, gradually filling in spaces with its cheerful blooms without becoming invasive. After the flowers fade, Coreopsis continues to support wildlife. Its seed heads become a valuable food source for finches and other songbirds, who flock to the garden in search of a tasty snack. Even in the colder months, the spent stalks and seed heads add texture and interest, ensuring your garden remains lively and engaging all year round. The versatility of Coreopsis is another reason it's so beloved. Its daisy-like flowers blend beautifully with other wildflowers, creating harmonious, naturalistic plantings. Or, for a bold statement, plant Coreopsis in sweeping drifts to create a sea of golden color that catches the eye from across the yard. Its adaptability makes it suitable for cottage gardens, prairie plantings, and even modern landscapes. Gardeners appreciate Coreopsis for its resilience. It's naturally resistant to most pests and diseases, so you won't need to fuss over it. With just a bit of occasional deadheading to encourage more blooms, this plant will reward you with months of effortless beauty. Its easy care nature means you can spend more time enjoying your garden and less time maintaining it. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Coreopsis is a fantastic choice. Its forgiving nature and reliable performance make it ideal for gardeners of all skill levels. Planting Coreopsis is a simple way to add both beauty and simplicity to your landscape, and it's a wonderful project for families and beginners alike. By choosing Coreopsis, you're not just planting a flower, you're creating a vibrant, lively garden that welcomes pollinators, supports wildlife, and brings effortless color to your outdoor space. Let this cheerful wildflower transform your garden into a haven of natural beauty and joy. Wild bergamot brings wild elegance with lavender blooms and aromatic foliage. Native bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are frequent visitors. It's deer-resistant, drought-tolerant, and thrives in many soils with minimal care. The unique blooms provide easy nectar access for long-tongued pollinators. Aromatic oils deter pests, reducing the need for intervention. Use it as a focal point or weave it among other wildflowers for a natural effect. Wild bergamot's adaptability and charm make it a cornerstone of any pollinator-friendly garden. Planting these wildflowers means less work for you and more time to simply enjoy your garden. Plus, you'll see more life in your garden than ever before. Each flower invites pollinators, filling your outdoor space with color and movement. Mix flower shapes and colors for a vibrant tapestry that supports pollinators from early spring to late autumn. The true beauty of wildflowers lies in the thriving ecosystem they help sustain. Thank you for joining this exploration. Subscribe for more gardening inspiration and helpful tips, and may your garden flourish beautifully.